Hello everybody，萨瓦迪卡ทุกคน大家好，今天我在曼谷 I'm now in Bangkok. This is Siam Square, a very happening place for the youngsters, man. I like the Chester fast food. It's just like our like Jollibee, fried food and Western, and lots of students here. I think there's a university called Chulalongkorn nearby, so they are coming here to shop after the BTS, by the way, after their classes. And now I'm walking towards in front. Been having a walk here a long time since I came back. I think this is a student district, man. I can rename this video the mall, the place where Bangkok University students like to hang out. Hey, AIS Siam. There's not like hidden stores in every corner. There can be shops selling clothes or some street food. It's very surprisingly you can find a hidden gem right here. Look at that. Wow. Hey, what's that? 60 years of Marshall and Hendricks. Jesus, there's a pop mart right here. I think it's the biggest outlet. I'm going to check it in a short while after my appointment. I have an appointment with a shop nearby. What is that? Joe Wings. Is it BBQ? Joe Wings, or is it a fast food once again? And there's a shop, Dimension, for the dogs or something. This place is huge. And most important is in the center of Bangkok is Siam, and these are more shops. Even a simple optical shop and make it like so colorful. What's this, man? Leather shoe. There's an M Cat, Korean number one accessory brand. It's right here, man. Oh, look at the left side. How do you read that, man? SOS number one Thai designer multi-brand store. Wow. In the middle somewhere they have the RE here, right here, ARI. These are many like the Thai brand shops. Oh, is it? It's all just in Thai. Oh, there's Olympic Optic. This is Lido Connect. Remind me of Singapore. There's a Lido cinema last time. Inside Lido's Connect right now. Many ladies clothes here. And although it's not very like beautiful, but there's aircon. That's one good thing. Oh my god, this one looks so light. Oh, this shop very colorful. And there's a barber here. Among foreigners will come there. Oh, this is a new shop. You can do your tailor here. Look at this, man. Support local cute store. I love daddy. Hope we don't rain, man. There's seen some kind of celebrity event here. Hundreds of girls and guys and locals and foreigners are here, man. I'm not sure what's the event about. I think they are waiting for the idols. Okay, I finished my appointment. So now I'm back. There's some kind of event going on here. But I'm here to check out this area and so whether there's some street food here. Lots of shopping. It looks like what you call it, the night market of Bangkok. Like chatuchak and stuff. And many like ladies' clothes here. 250 baht. Actually, I'm hungry, I didn't eat rice for the whole day. I just eat bread because I was rushing for some appointment. I have drinks as well. For this area, majestic, man. This is a photo print machine here. What's that, man? Gate 8. Oh, they worship like God here. Sticker land. Look at this, man. Sewing. 531. And there's a like eyewear here, man. 100 baht t-shirts. Oh, level 2 as well. Many new shops here. And a Japanese restaurant. What is this, man? What is this shop selling? Is it comics? Wow. This is a comic shop, Hey, they even had a classic movie poster right here. And here is like, I'm not sure, a lot of people. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video in Bangkok. Ciao, Madane.